Welcome to the most exciting course in Tinkercad 3D modeling for beginners. Tinkercad is a platform that allows us to create 3D designs or 3D models for rapid prototyping or 3D printing. This course is for beginners who wanted to learn 3D modeling, the easiest software in the world. So here we will be discussing how we can exactly create an account, how we can navigate in this platform, what are the tools available, how to create 3D models by dragging and dropping into this particular platform, and how we can exactly manipulate them to create our own custom designs, and how we can exactly upload them for different kinds of purposes like 3D printing, prototyping, uploading for different kinds of platforms, and even selling them online and earn some kind of money. And here, this course is for beginners. So if you don't understand how to create 3D models, what is all about it, and how you can exactly create an account, don't worry. I will teach you everything you wanted to learn as a beginner in this particular course. So, why are you waiting? Let's just enroll to the course and learn the basics of 3D modeling.